Page 58, the wheels on the bus. In this lesson, we're doing skips from D, well, spaces. We're space to space or line to line, those are skips. Yeah, so, okay. Doesn't matter where you're here or you're here. Again, it's every other note, what we're talking about for these skips. There's other skips, but this is the skip we're working on, just every other note here. All right, whatever. Let's talk about wheels on the bus here. This thing is, what, 3 lines long, 2 pages. This is one of the reasons why I look it over first to see how long it is, because you never know. You think it's 1 line long. Why do you keep looking at it? Well, because this is a good example of what going on here, and you look and you see it. Well, it's on page 59 too. So it's 3 lines long here. The clef signs are still treble and bass clef, and we're time signatures 4/4. Both hands are playing, but they're just playing one hand at a time, so I'll take both hands together. The left hand starts with 3rd finger on G, that puts here. And the right hand starts with thumb on middle C, and you don't need any other finger numbers here. I would prefer you cross out all the other finger numbers. Please don't read finger numbers. Read the notes. Get in the habit of reading the notes. If you start moving around, you need finger numbers to help you move around, know where to go. But as long as you're not moving around, you don't need the finger numbers, in my opinion. Teachers don't agree on that, but that's how I do it. So we're here. So it's 1, 2. You got 2 rests at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So now we got these skips again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2. So here's an example of the skip between the staves. Okay. Doesn't matter, just play the notes. So you go through and play the notes and count it out. Then go back over it slowly and carefully, get rid of the hesitations. You need to be able to play this without looking at the keyboard so you can remember which finger is on which key. And you're trusting that. It's important we develop that. And you're associating that with the note name or the position it is in the staff. You're not reading finger numbers, please. And once you can do all that, then we'll think about the dynamics. MF at the beginning, it looks like it's the only one they give you. Well, that's mezzo forte or moderately loud, whatever you think that is. Sort of loud. Okay. Lively, this moves, especially with half notes. This needs to move. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That moved pretty good. But again, when we're talking speed of a piece, we're not necessarily talking the speed of the beat. We're talking about the overall feel of the piece. And because this is mostly half notes, it's going to speed it up. So it's almost like you're just feeling the natural accents. You're just playing the notes. 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. That's what I'm feeling the natural accent. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. That's moving along pretty good. But again, I'm feeling the natural accents and I'm playing to those right now. Depends on the music, depends on the piece. Now once you can play this all through with no hesitation or anything, let's play it together and check that you have the correct notes and rhythms. I'm going to give us 4 counts, but again, we have 2 rests at the beginning, so really it's going to be 6 counts before we play. But the piece starts at count 1. Those first 2 beats of rest, that's part of the piece, that's part of the music. It's important that we include those. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest, rest. 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. 4. 2. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. 2. 2, 3, 4. 2. 4. 1, 2. 2, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, off. I'd like to play the duet for this. We're going to speed it up quite a bit, a little closer to where it goes. So we're going to start feeling the notes. Going to feel it in 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So you're feeling these natural accents. Let's play it about that speed. Or a little slower, somewhere in there. I'm going to play your first note with you because the accompaniment doesn't have anything. So I'm going to play on beat 1, a half note, and then I'm going to play your half note with you, and then I'm going to play the accompaniment starting on the second measure. Now, because this is mostly half notes all over and it goes fast, I put the metronome on half notes. So it's beating half notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how fast we're going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That's how fast we're going to go. Except, of course, you're up here because I need you to be an octave higher. So instead of here, you're up here. Right up here. I'm going to give us 4 half note beats to come in because this goes so quick. I'm going to 1, 2, ready, go. And then I play and then you play. Okay. The accompaniment at the bottom is that. And you're doing this. So at the same time. So we're somewhere in there. So at the beginning of this, I'm going to play here. And that G I play is your G. Only you're going to play it up here. So I'm going to 1, 2, ready, go. Then you play. And you play the G with me up here. That makes sense? I don't know. Just come in when I do. We'll see what happens. 1, 2, ready, go.